Hey there, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we are literally taking back your time. We're looking at how to completely streamline your finances and just eliminate that tedious monthly chore by managing your Orlando Utilities Commission, or OUC, bill online. So, if you're looking to make your life a whole lot easier and get instant access to your billing management, well, you are in the exact right place. Okay, let's dive right into this. Let's be honest for a second here. Are you still wasting your time with stamps, mail delays, and manual tracking? There's a certain kind of anxiety that comes with dropping a physical check in the mail and just kind of hoping it arrives and processes before the due date, right? We have absolutely all been there. But it really doesn't have to be that way. Transitioning to the digital My OUC portal is the ultimate convenience. It literally transforms a tedious monthly chore into an instant, highly secure process. So here is our roadmap for today. We'll meet My OUC, go over account setup, look at online payments, do some troubleshooting, share some smart tips, and wrap up with our conclusion and disclaimer. Okay, Section 1, meet your My UOC portal. So, the MyOUC portal is this highly secure 24/7 web interface. Its entire purpose is just designed to consolidate your payment processing, your account updates, and your resource usage all into one super accessible place. Whether it's midnight on a Tuesday or, a lazy Sunday afternoon, this platform gives you complete administrative control over your utility account directly from your computer, your smartphone, or your tablet. It's basically your unified dashboard for absolutely everything related to your OUC service. Moving on to Section 2, Requirements and Account Setup. Now, to protect your privacy, OUC enforces some pretty strict validation boundaries. To register, you're going to need three things: an active email address, your 10-digit account number, and your 10-digit PIN. And you can actually find both of those numbers right there on the top right corner of your physical paper bill. But here is the critical part, okay? When you enter these details, they have to match OUC's billing records exactly. I mean, exactly. This includes all letters, numbers, punctuation, and even the spaces. The system absolutely relies on this exact match to ensure both your online security and your privacy. Once you've got that bill in hand, establishing your secure digital identity follows a really simple four-phase registration sequence. First, you'll just input that account information we just talked about. Second, you'll define your user information, which just means picking a secure username and password. Third, the system's going to send you an email verification link. And fourth, you simply log in to your new dashboard. It's a clean, super logical flow designed to get you connected safely. But pay super close attention to this number, 30. When you hit step 3 and OUC sends you that email verification link, you have a critical 30-minute expiration window to click it. This is a strict security measure designed to prevent anyone from intercepting your session. So if you step away to make a cup of coffee and miss that 30-minute window, well, the link's going to expire, and you'll actually have to restart the whole registration process from scratch. So when you sit down to start, just make sure you have a few minutes to complete it all at once.
All right, Section 3, Step-by-Step Online Payments.
Let's break down the financial mechanics and processing speeds of your different payment methods. You basically have three main options here. First is the e-check. This lets you pay directly from your checking or savings account. It's completely free, it posts in real time, and it uses automated bank validation rules to prevent fraud. Second, you could use a credit card, which is safely processed via a third party called Bill to Pay. That one also posts in real time. And finally, there is AutoPay, which is free to set up, but it has a unique activation timeline that we really need to look at a little closer. AutoPay is for sure the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it tool for your finances. It just automatically deducts your monthly bill directly from a checking or savings account right on your exact due date. Now, here is a really crucial detail. OUC does not accept credit cards for this recurring AutoPay feature, which, when you think about it, is actually quite smart. It prevents your payments from failing when a credit card naturally expires or gets replaced, which completely insulates you from unexpected late fees or, worse, service interruptions. Now, here is another timeline you really need to remember. While AutoPay is fantastic, it takes about 30 to 60 days to fully activate in the system after you actually enroll. So you can't just turn it on and assume tomorrow's bill is covered. You absolutely must continue to make manual payments, whether that's online, by phone, or in person, until your physical or digital bill explicitly displays the words "Do not pay." Once you see that exact message, you know the automation has officially taken over. We also really need to clear up a super common point of regional confusion here in Central Florida. So many people mix up OUC, the Orlando Utilities Commission, with OCU, Orange County Utilities. They are entirely different entities with completely different digital architectures. For OUC, which is what we're discussing today, you must register and log into the My OUC portal to make a payment on their main site. In contrast, OCU operates a separate Select Pay Today portal that actually offers a direct guest checkout option. Just make doubly sure you are logging into the correct utility for your specific address. Next up, Section 4, Troubleshooting Common Account Issues. This is perhaps the most common scenario out there. You're trying to log in, you type your password just a bit too fast, and boom, suddenly you are locked out. For your own security, My OUC accounts are temporarily locked after 3 unsuccessful login attempts. And remember, your username and your password are case sensitive.
The solution here is immediate and really simple. First, just wait a few minutes. Often, that temporary lock will lift all on its own, allowing you to try again, carefully this time. If you truly can't remember the password, simply use the Forgot Password or Forgot Username links right there on the login screen. The system will easily guide you through some prompts to help you regain access smoothly and securely.
So what happens if you get distracted by a phone call and you miss that 30-minute email verification window we talked about earlier? You click the link in your inbox, and it just tells you it's no longer valid?
Well, a stale token simply means you just need to start the process over. Don't panic, nothing is broken at all. This is just a strict security architecture working exactly as intended to protect your data from interception. Just head back to the enrollment page, enter your account info again, and this time make absolutely sure to click that email link as soon as it hits your inbox.
Moving to Section 5, Smart Tips and Best Practices. Just by registering, you instantly unlock several excellent portal perks. First off, you're automatically enrolled in eco-friendly paperless billing, which is great for reducing clutter in your mailbox. But more importantly, you gain access to a pretty powerful usage dashboard. This dashboard lets you track your precise electric and water consumption over time. You can also set up customizable OUC alerts to notify you of upcoming due dates, any weird usage spikes, or even reported outages right in your specific area. And this directly connects the technical features of the portal right to your wallet. By tracking your telemetry, like when you use the most energy or seeing how your water usage spikes in the summer, you are empowered to make some really smart lifestyle changes, turning the AC up just a few degrees when you aren't home, for example. Understanding your data leads directly to a reduced environmental footprint and ultimately lower monthly bills for you. And finally, Section 6, Conclusion and Final Disclaimer. Transitioning from mailing paper checks to automated digital management truly transforms a dreaded monthly chore into a secure, instant process. By taking just a few minutes today to set up your MyUSC profile and enroll in AutoPay, you're going to save valuable time, completely eliminate the risk of accidental late fees, and do your part for the environment by going paperless. It's a win all around. Just as a quick heads up before we go, please keep in mind that digital platform interfaces can and do change over time. If you ever need the absolute most current information, you can always contact OUC customer service at 407-423-9018. Automating a simple utility bill can literally reclaim hours of your time every single year. So it really makes you think, what other friction points in your life are just waiting to be digitized? Thanks so much for joining this explainer, and as always, stay curious.